Hey YouTube, this is Kimboy12. I have a problem with my TRX 3.3 new engine. I just installed it on my chassis the other day, and I've been trying to get it to start. Here the facts are: the fuel does go through the engine. That I know because it leaks out of the exhaust pipe here when I tip the truck over. And this is fresh unburned fuel, and it just comes straight from the tank through the engine and on the through the exhaust. I know this because when I take out the glow plug and I try to start it, I see nitro spraying out of the engine head. So there is fuel going through the engine, but it won't start. See here. Let's try to start it. So that's what happened when you try to start it. Just nothing. It's already primed and all that. No problem with that. Just it won't start. So let me know what's wrong and all that. Comment. Help me out, please.